So I just dropped off my 2 little ones at school. I'm about to head to the shop, but first we always get coffee. So I'm headed up to the shop now, and I'm going to be recording my day in the life of an esthetician. But here's the thing, I'm new to these content creating streets, and I'm not the greatest at collecting content when I have clients. So what I decided to do was come in on my day off to record some content to make this video. And I decided, you know what, I want to be a blessing to some people. So I reached out to some ladies who I know would be blessed by being able to come in to get a free service. 2 of them are first-time moms. I know how drastically my life changed when I had my first child, and so coming in for a waxing service usually isn't high on the priority list, but I know that they had expressed an interest in getting it done, so they're gonna come in and I'm gonna bless them with a wax service. I have another lady coming in. She doesn't have any kids, but she did take on the responsibility of becoming the caregiver and guardian of her sister who has special needs. She doesn't get a lot of time on her hands to get away and do something for herself. So I asked her if she'd be interested in coming in. So I'm going to be able to bless her with a wax service. And then I have another woman coming in who, single woman, kids, got a house, doing it all by herself. And I just wanted to be a blessing to her too, because we're kind of in the same boat. So we're in the shop. First things first, we got to turn on our wax. Got a hard wax, and a soft wax, because I really like how the soft wax gets the little baby Bella's hairs off the eyebrows. They be snatching. Let's change the date. We're going to put that up there. And here we have a scannable QR for Google reviews. This is connected to my business page, and I encourage my clients when they leave, if they are so kind, to leave a review. They can scan this and it'll take them straight there. I recommend you get one. We are going to get some music going. And I have a question for all you estheticians. I've been contemplating getting me a smart plug to turn these on before I get here. If you have one, be so kind to leave me a comment on maybe where you got it from. How soon do you start it before you get here? And if it works for you. Because if it does, I think I'm going to get one. All right, so today we are going to be testing out for the first time the Sexy Sapphire by Sexy Smooth Wax. This company is amazing. It's rosin free, it's vegan, it's good for sensitive skin. This one right here is fragrance free, which I love. Blue is my favorite color. So when I saw that they were coming out with this, you know, I had to go get me a bag. I recently got this one. This is Cherry Desire. This one is scented, smells beautiful, like red Starburst. If you ever had a red Starburst, you know what this smells like. We also have in this pot, which is what I'm going to use on my Brazilian wax today, is this Golden Allure. When I got out of school, I decided to go solo right away. A little intimidating, but we're still here. And I was watching somebody on, I believe it was Facebook. Her name is Waxing Queen. If you don't follow her, go follow her. She's a wealth of knowledge. She's a jewel. She was using this one day to do a wax, and she mentioned that it was beginner friendly. So I decided to give it a shot. So this, amazing, and it spreads smooth if you got it at the right temperature. It gets the hairs up, and it doesn't irritate the skin. It dries fast, and I started out with Golden Allure and Tickled Pink, and I love both of them. So when I decided to start doing Brazilians, I figured why not go back to what I've been using. I've tried a few other brands. Some of them are okay, some of them but this one's been golden for me. We just finished an underarm wax using that Sexy Sapphire. I really like it. So I already did one set of underarms. We're going to sanitize and get ready for our next client who's also getting her underarms done. Want to make sure every service for your clients are clean, disinfected, and sanitized. Our next client, she's a mom. She's got a little boy, and I know that she really likes getting her underarms done because the results last long and her skin is smooth. She even mentioned that it doesn't itch like how it does when she shaves. But like I said, waxing is not high on the priority list. So we got our 2 clients done. We did 2 underarm wax services. I was able to review the Sexy Sapphire new blue wax that I got. So I have some downtime before my next client gets here. So I have this footage from a back facial that I recorded that I now need to break down into clips because now I need to work on my content. So I had one of my moms cancel on me because she wasn't feeling good. But we have one of the barbers of the house, the owner of Elevation, and I noticed a little bit of nose hair, so he's going to let me wax him. All right, guys, that's the end of my day. We did 2 underarms with the Sexy Sapphire wax. We did a nose wax with the Golden Allure, and then I also used the Golden Allure on my Brazilian. But that's the end of the day, so I'm gonna shut everything off. I'm gonna wipe down everything, sanitize it, wipe down my pad. I'm gonna clean my utensils, soak them in barbicide, and then put them in my sanitizer. Everything is turned off. Everything has been cleaned and sanitized. My utensils are sitting in the barbicide. I have a few more minutes to wait on that. So this is the time where I would be clocking out and I will be heading home. This will be the time that I will be getting my kids, making sure that they have dinner, making sure that their homework is done. But we're not going to record that. We're going to save that drama for their mama. That's me. But I hope you enjoyed a day in my life as an esthetician.